Concentrated color correcting drops address the most common skin tone concerns. I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to minimize and neutralize any darkness, discoloration, or spots in the skin. For this, I'm going to be using the Apricot shade from the color drops. Now that my skin is prepped and primed, you can see that I have these dark circles under my eyes. I want to neutralize these dark purple tones, and the Apricot color drops are perfect for this. Give the bottle a good shake. 1 drop is great for slight discoloration, or 2 to 3 if it's deeper. Use your ring finger, and with a light amount of pressure, apply and blend. I have a couple of other dark patches, so I'm going to use a little bit here and a touch up there. They're so flexible, and I can apply a second or third layer depending on my needs. You can see how easily the darkness is neutralized and brightened. Now that I've corrected and neutralized my skin tone, I'm ready to move on to my next beauty step.